have this situation in Pakistan, foreign teams coming in. We would win the matches. But the credit would not go to the team, it would go to the umpires. And we would come to England, and we would think that marginal decisions were going against us. So we would complain about the umpiring, and we would be told, English umpires make mistakes, but Pakistani umpires cheat. So that's where the idea of neutral umpires started. I thought, well, there's only one way to play the game in a fairer way. But this was a long struggle because it wasn't easy. There was a great amount of resistance to neutral umpires. And the spirit of the game suffered when I was playing. I saw incredible instances. I mean, you don't see those things anymore on the cricket field. I remember once where the West Indies were playing New Zealand. This is early 81. 81 or 80 or something like that. And I remember 6 foot 8 inches Colin Croft running into bowl. By this time, the West Indies had lost complete trust in the New Zealand umpires. And I remember he ran into bowl, and rather than, we were watching on television, rather than watching him deliver the ball, we suddenly saw the umpire flying 10 yards away. He'd hit the umpire. And then, of course, Holding, there was this famous picture of him kicking a stump out. So there was a lot of acrimony in the game. It was bad most of the time, but when Pakistan played India, it deteriorated to depths you cannot imagine. Losing against India in Pakistan was not an option. And same in India, for India to let Pakistan win wasn't an option. So whenever the teams were doing badly, they could always rely on the umpires. So Pakistan never won in India, India never won in Pakistan. Straight as that. Anyway, here was I led this tour to India in 1987. Indian preparing home conditions, wicket for their own spinners. So we had our strength in fast bowling. Now, first 4 matches, all drawn matches because the wickets were spinners, but they were so slow that there couldn't be any result. 5th test match, India produced in Bangalore one of the most spinning wickets